video I am going to discuss only friction. Already familiar with the word, but here I am going to discuss what is friction, what are the advantages and disadvantages. Next one, I will increase as well as decrease the friction. These are the things you have to discuss in the video. See here, what is friction? Force that opposes the motion of an object when the object is in contact with another object or surface. You know that the force active between the two surfaces, that is called the friction. So force that slows down or stops the motion, you know that. But here, how friction affect the motion? If you roll a ball along the floor or ground, what happens? It will slow down and stop even though no apparent force is being applied to it. That means the ball slows down and stops because of friction. But friction slows down a moving object. Friction occurs when two objects rub against each other. And a car that runs on a very rough road, what happens? It slows down due to friction. However, on smooth road, it travels fast. So what do you understand from the word rough means? They are slows down. So they offer more friction for rough road on rough road, but in smooth road they offer very less friction. A smooth surface has very few bumps and hollows. There is a less friction on a smooth surface. A running object can glide or move continuously with a very little force. The same way, smooth surface produces lesser friction and allows shoes and tries to slip. But on a rough surface, there are more bumps and hollows. So when you push the cart on a rough road, it will travel slowly. There is more friction acting on the moving cart. So the rougher surface, the more friction there is, as the slower an object moves. Here friction is lesser on smooth surface, smooth or shiny surface. Friction is greater on a rough surface. Next one, advantages. Where we are using advantages, friction enable belt to cling to pulley and nail to hold object together. So this is a way they are used. And second one, a running car or bicycle uses friction to stop. As the driver stops on the brake, the vehicle slows down and a full stop. Right. So this is possible because of friction between the brakes and wheels. And walking, running, playing, writing, sitting, standing, or eating cannot be possible without friction. You know that. You see the diagram also. Disadvantage: shoes, slippers, tires, and anything that are used for moving become worn out. But friction produces heat that causes object to wear out. And friction makes work tedious because of that resistance. Workers need to exert more effort and energy to accomplish their work to overcome resistance. So some machines perform less efficiency and wear out faster under friction. And friction also causes sparks, overheating, and machine breakdown. And friction reduces speed. Even airplane cannot fly as fast as flight they are able because of air friction. And racing cars and other vehicles consume more energy to run fast and overcome the resistance of the road. And the same way, friction can also make speeding object to tumble down and cause accident. You know these things only. And way of reducing, that's the thing. How will you reduce? Smoothing out surface. You know already, in smooth surface, friction is very less. Right. So smoothing the surface, smoothing out surface. What that means, apply floor wax and scrubbing the floor, or placing a slippery substances between the two solid surface. Grease oil and grease or oil and other lubricating oils are used. Using rotating object, roller bearing or ball bearing and wheels. This is also used for reduce the friction. But streamlining vehicle to reduce friction caused by air. Streamline the front of planes. Way to increase. This earlier they decreased, but now we are going to see how will you increase. New materials with more bumps and hollows are produced for making car brakes lining. New styles for the sole of athletes' shoes. That means its aim is for runners to run with a greater speed. Clear. So this is a way we can increase and decrease the friction. Clear. Thank you. I'll come with another video with another concept. Thank you.